Prehistoric man learned thousands of years ago that it was a good idea to eat meat that was cooked rather than raw. Since then, the human race has gone crazy, applying that same cooking idea to all foods. You can have too much of a good thing, except for a salad. Most people eat very little raw food. But in recent years, the focus on healthy eating and lessening the chances of contracting diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and strokes has thrown the focus on raw foods. Friendly. It encourages organic farming, and we would use fewer energy resources because we wouldn't be cooking the food or transporting it as far as we do now. Emissions of carbon dioxide would be reduced, and there would have to be new orchards planted to keep up with the demand for fresh fruit. This would release more oxygen into the air, and we'd help to minimize the greenhouse effect. 10. The raw food diet will enable you to save money. You will not only save money on food bills, but also on energy bills, and also stoves, pots, pans, and medical bills. The raw food diet is a great way to save your body, save your money, and save the planet.